Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a very yummy lumpy egusi soup. Stay with me, let's make it together. Here are the list of ingredients you'll be needing for this recipe. We have egusi already blended, we have stockfish, we have beef. I'm using cow head and torso. We also have smoked hake fish, Ehuru and Uziza seed, habanero pepper, Uziza leaves, crayfish, palm oil, and seasoning cubes and salt. I will roughly blend pepper and onions. I use some to steam the meat and the other for the soup. Guys, I beg, is there anything you guys are doing on this app to stay afloat? Like things you guys are doing to have more engagement? Because tell me why I will spend hours to film a content, edit it, upload it, and at the end of the day I'll be having 5 views after 2 days of upload. I'm really unhappy with the whole situation. If there are things you guys are doing to have more engagement, you guys should plug your girl in. Plug me, please. Honestly, I don't mind. At this point I can do anything, okay? Hence is something within my power to have engagement. I don't know why I will suffer and at the end of the day there will be no results. It doesn't make sense. Anywho, let's proceed with our cooking. So in the pot, I'm going to add the beef, then add already washed stockfish, onions, seasoning cubes, salt. I'll stir this to combine and cover and allow to cook in its own juice. Back to the pot. As you can see, the protein has produced its own juice. So I'm going to go in with water, stir, cover and allow it to cook until protein is at least 90% tender. At this point, protein is cooked to my preference. I'm going to take it off the heat. Then in a clean pan, I will heat up some palm oil. While that is heating up, let's form a paste with our already blended egusi. So I'll be adding little meat stock into the egusi. Stir to combine thoroughly to form a paste. Then set aside. Back to our already heated palm oil. We're going in with roughly blended onions. Stir that, allow to saute. Then add the roughly chopped pepper. Stir for some seconds. Then go in with the egusi. Cover it and allow it to steam for a minute. After that, then on a low heat, continue to stir. Fry the egusi until it is properly dried. this is how your egusi should look like after frying. Now I will go in with the protein, okay, and the meat stock. Then go in with the smoked hake, add some water, stir. Then go in with already blended Ehuru, Uziza and Crayfish. I blended them together. Then little Okpehi, seasoning cubes, salt. I'll add some water to loosen up the soup a bit. Stir that, cover and allow to boil. Thank you for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, you guys already know how much I love you. And if today is your first time here, you're welcome. Please like the video, share with your loved ones, and subscribe to my channel so we'll become family. Thank you. So I am cutting the Uziza leaves in preparation to adding it to the pot. Back to the pot. You guys, the aroma that fills my kitchen at this point is nose blinding. So I'm going to stir that, then go in with Uziza leaves, add more water to loosen the soup a bit, cover and allow it to cook for at least 5 to 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, our soup is ready to be served with any swallow of choice. As for me, I'll be enjoying this with fufu. What about you? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See ya in my next one. Bye.